Welcome to Bayview Wildwood. I'm Chef Caitlyn here with Stacey Green, the TikTok star, cookbook entrepreneur. She's here to help me with my kids' buffet coming up this summer. She has some great recipes and we're going to check them out, make them here, and she's going to show me what's up.
Yeah, thanks. Do you want me to call you Chef?
Kate?
Chef Caitlyn?
Yeah, sure.
Best friend?
Yes.
Hey there, everybody. My name is Stacey of Stacey Green Living, and this is Bayview Wildwood. And this is a fun fact. Me and my family have been coming to Bayview forever, it feels like, and I'm so excited that I get to do a collaboration with the kitchen because the food is phenomenal. And this year on the kids buffet, we're gonna feature some you'll eat it and you'll like it meals. And what are we gonna start with today?
Your meatloaf muffins.
The meatloaf muffins. A nice little spin on meatloaf because that can be a hard sell for kids, but I promise you, these ones are gonna be delicious.
Cool. You want to get going?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get into it and we're gonna make the meatloaf muffins. These are very easy to put together and they're very delicious. It's actually one of the top 2 most popular recipes from the book. So lucky you guys. So Chef, we're gonna start. We have our ground beef ready to go, and then we're gonna add all of our delicious ingredients. So we have oregano, we're gonna add that in there. What else have we got? Worcestershire, yep. We got onion, garlic, black pepper, egg and breadcrumbs, because we're gonna be making a meatloaf, right? It's gonna like a meatball kind of, but bigger. And we got some salt, pepper, garlic, and ketchup. And then we're gonna pretend this is Play-Doh and make ourselves some delicious balls. Chef, while you're doing that, I think I'm gonna make the glaze that's gonna go on top. It's kind of like they're a muffin, so this is our icing on top. So I'm gonna take some ketchup. This is a fun pourer. I'm gonna take some soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, some brown sugar, and some Dijon mustard, and then I'm gonna whisk those together. So the things that make these extra special is we're gonna hide little cubes of cheese inside. I like cheddar. I think we're doing cheddar today, but if you're doing this at home, you can kind of do whatever you have. So Chef, if you wanted to fold those in, like we're David Rose, Moira and David, we're gonna fold those in so they don't get completely smushed, but they're gonna melt in the middle and be delicious surprise cheese pockets.
And we're folding.
Beautiful. So now we're gonna make our meatloaf muffins. So you're gonna take, I don't know, how much would you say that is? Maybe 1/2 cup, 3/4 of a cup?
Absolutely.
Whatever the size of your pre-greased muffin tins are, roll those into a ball and place them inside. So the last and final step is we're gonna ice our meatloaf muffins. So the glaze that I just made, we're gonna spoon a little bit on top of each. Pop these in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until the internal temperature is 160 on 350, and then you're gonna eat a delicious dinner. And you guys are gonna eat this delicious dinner at Bayview this year. Woo! All right, we are back. These have cooked. They smell delicious. I wish you had smell-o-vision.
So good.
So we're gonna plate these meatloaf muffins with a salad. I like to eat it with a salad. Your kids will like to eat it no matter what.
French fries.
Yeah,
salad.
the buffet has so many options for them, whatever they like.
Right? Spaghetti.
And then that's it. These are ready to go. So don't forget, when you come to Bayview Wildwood, all of your meals are taken care of. All of the cooking is done for you. No planning at all. Chef Caitlyn is going to make sure it's delicious for everyone.
Yes, thank you, Stacey, for your cookbook, your
My
recipes.
pleasure.
I needed all this help for the kids coming in. Cheers.
She didn't, but she's gracious. Oh, so good, right? With that glaze.